Hello everyone, welcome back to the third video of the 25th module on skills of school counselor, leadership and the coordinating skills. In this video, we will discuss about leadership traits and the coordinating skills of the school counselor. So the learning objectives are understand leadership traits in the school counselor and comprehend coordinating skills of a school counselor as well as the core responsibility relating to the coordination. Leadership traits in the school counselor. First, we will look into the listening. This is a very important trait that every school counselor should have. For the school counselor to be effective, he or she should be a good listener. The school counselors are often in a position to work with many students simultaneously. So the chances to interact with them individually are few. It is not only with the students that listening is essential, but also with the other people he or she is working with. The school counselor leader should pay full attention to the issue at hand, reflect back and clarify. It is also important to be open-minded and non-judgmental. Second one is being empathetic. It is basically about putting oneself in the other person's shoes. The other person can be a student or any other stakeholder. This skill enables the school counselor leader to truly understand the issues and effectively execute the job. It also helps in making the student feel at ease and develop trust. While trying to practice empathy, he or she should be cautious about one's own viewpoints and try to acknowledge the student's opinion, though not necessarily agree. It is about acknowledging the right to an opinion and validating the reasons for it. Additionally, an effective school counselor leader would ask for the students' ideas of solution for that problem or how they wanted it to be handled. This paves way for deeper understanding between both. Building relationship. This is an important role that a school counselor leader should put into practice to be able to provide effective services. However, building a relationship with others takes time, but can be accelerated through listening and the empathy. Building relationship involves developing trust, comfort, and acceptance in the students. This can be achieved through developing a complete understanding of the student in all areas and expressing care. Performing assessments. Assessment skills in a school counselor leader facilitates effective services delivery, and so it is very much an essential skill. Assessment can be done on academic performance, skills, personality, career potential, to identify the talents and desire in a student. Assessments are also done to identify the special needs of the student. Further, non-test and test data are interpreted and those findings are used to decide the placement of a student and the program that will be beneficial to them. Coordinating efforts and the activities. School counselor leader coordinate both individualized school education plans for the students and the other plans specific to the student. Additionally, a school counselor frequently coordinates activities with the teachers, other school officials, and the other projects like community outreach programs and the event planning. To do a better coordination, school counselor leader should possess adequate leadership and organizational skills. The school counselor leader will also be able to teach leadership skills to the students by allowing them to take responsibility for their own academic goals and the efforts. Exercising authority. A school counselor leader has to exercise authority to certain the level in order to effectively implement programs, direct and coordinate students' activities and tasks. Exercising authority is possible only when the school administrator and the officials willingly empower the school counselor with the rights to exercise authority. Parents and students will accept school counselor as a leader only to the level their authority is validated. Even though the school counselor is empowered, it is useful only when he or she willingly apply the power. It is important that a school counselor leader knows and practices the limitations and boundaries in the professional relationship with the students as well as the others. Being flexible. Change is inevitable in the field of education. School counselor leader should be flexible and know to prioritize so as to avoid unnecessary stress and at the same time to be more responsive to the unexpected changes. Having sense of humor. School counselor leader should be able to see the humorous side of stressful situations. This helps him or her to be less anxious, more relaxed over the many scenarios. This also makes the counselor more approachable to the students. And on the other hand, the counselor will be able to reach the students much better. Now we will look into the coordinating skills of the school counselor. A core function of a school counselor is collaborating and coordinating with the teachers, administrators, families, students, and community organizations. Some elements of student support are considered to be important as they have positive effects on the student's outcome. These elements are creating personalized plans first. A school counselor plays a role in plan creation according to individual needs of the students that provides customized support and opportunities. Developing the plan. A school counselor collaborates with the members who are in direct contact with a student, and such members can be teachers, families, and others. Next, establishing a systematic way. A school counselor establishes a system for creating plan that attends to the changing needs and the circumstances of the students. Using data. A school counselor applies data to identify service utilization, communicate plan revisions, gain understanding over student outcomes, and change or improve the whole school programs focused on the non-instructional needs of the students. Some of the core responsibilities of a school counselor while coordinating are as follows. A school counselor provides support to school personnel in assessing, understanding, and responding to the students' social, emotional, and behavioral developmental needs. A school counselor serves as a member of any school-based teams that addresses social emotional learning, trauma responses, school climate, and the culture. A school counselor not only establishes but also lead student support team and process in the school. This team identifies and responds to the strengths and the challenges of the students and individual developmental needs of each and every student. A school counselor provides direct services to the students. A school counselor helps families and caregivers in understanding the ways in which academic outcomes are enhanced by serving the social, emotional, and personal developmental needs of the student. A school counselor collaborates and coordinates with the school and the district leadership teams and the teachers to review and monitor aggregate data on student academic performance, as well as the non-academic indicators. The school counselor also works collaboratively to align the need with the existing school program and provide new interventions. A school counselor connects students to a variety of programs, focuses on prevention, early intervention, and intensive supports that address the physical, emotional, cognitive, and social development of each student. A school counselor develops and enhances community partnerships with local agencies to meet the identified and varying needs of the students, families, and the school. A school counselor collects data on implementation of student support and the delivery of the services. So to conclude, school counselors' role is not only about planning student schedules, administering placement and the academic evaluation. Rather, they act as leaders and have significant effect on the quickening and enhancement of learning. In order to meet the growing needs, school counselors are required to develop leadership skills and possess good negotiation and persuasion skills in order to make others accept their ideas and to connect with the stakeholders. In a nutshell, a school counselor leader should have the ability of interpersonal influence, engage in systematic collaboration, be resourceful in problem solving, have professional efficacy, and advocate for social justice. A school counselor constantly faces challenges in taking a stand regarding school counseling program development, professional identity in the school community, and the accountability of all students. However, the above mentioned qualities may help the school counselor in overcoming these challenges. Transforming oneself into a leader is a long-term investment. A school counselor should be ready to dedicate time and effort to achieve the transformation. I hope the module has given a solid understanding about leadership and coordinating skills of a school counselor. Thank you.